Hello and welcome to this video. In this video, I'm going to illustrate how the justify content property works. What is the justify content property? The justify content property is used to align the flex items in the flex container. I have made some changes to the index.html file. On line number 11, I have modified the title. Also on line number 14, I have modified the H1 heading tag. I have also modified the div elements inside the flex container. So now I only have 3 div elements in the flex container, which represents 3 flex items. I've also made some changes to the CSS file. On line number 3, I have included the justify-content property and I've set the value to center. When the value is center, that means it will align the flex items at the center of the container. So this is the flex justify content property, and as you can see, we have the 3 flex items aligned at the center of the container. The flex items can also be aligned at the beginning of the container using the value flex-start. So on line number 3 here on the justify content property, I have changed the value to say flex-start, and what that would do, it will align all the flex items at the beginning of the container. So these are the flex items. They have been aligned at the beginning of the container. The flex items can also be aligned at the end of the container by using the value flex-end. So on line number 3 here, I've changed the value of the justify content property to flex-end, and this should align the flex items at the end of the container. As you can see, the flex items have been aligned at the end of the container by setting the justify content property to flex-end. If you want spaces to appear before, between, and after the flex items, there is a property value you can use. It is called space-around. So on line number 3 here, I've changed the value of the justify content property to space-around. And what this will do, it will display the flex items with spaces before, between, and after the lines. As you can see, the flex items have spaces before, between, and also after. If you want the flex items to have spaces between the lines, you use the value space-between. So on line number 3 here, I've changed the value of the justify content property to space-between, and what this will do, it will display the flex items with spaces between the lines. So this is the flex items with spaces between the lines using the justify content property with a value of space between. So that's it for this video. In this video, I showed you how the flex justify content property works. Thanks for watching.